Here. Okay, swirl it. Swirl it. Okay, there you go. You rinse it. Rinse it. Okay, put it in the rack. There you go. Yay! All done. We're all done. We're all done. Pull it out. Here, pull.
Good job, little girls.
Pull on that. Pull it. Ready? Pull. Pull. There you go. Watch the water go down. All done.
An, are you all done washing dishes? Thank you, Uncle Joe.
You're welcome.
Did you dry your hands?
Oh, here.
Here's the towel.
Good job.
We like Uncle Joe visiting, don't we? Okay. Say bye-bye.